Never seen this many dragonflies in my whole life. Not all together like this. Wonder what's up with them. Just an interesting farm video of firsts. What's with all the dragonflies? Well, some do look smaller. Maybe they hatched, but I don't know how they lay their eggs. Maybe it's a family. I'm not sure. Oh well, we're out here, so may as well take a walk, huh? Alright, let's go take a walk around the farm. Just gave the chicken some of our eggshells. Made scrambled eggs and bacon for the family tonight. So gave the leftover shells. Hello, Missy. Hello, Missy. Gave the leftover shells to the chickens so that they can get some of that calcium back that they give us in their eggs. Hello, Missy. Hello. We were able to give the hen house a once over yesterday, so that's good. We were able to clean it all up and replace all the flooring, the bedding and stuff, and they were plenty happy with that. So it makes me feel happy too, because I really wanted to do that. Moving takes a lot of time. Oh, hi. Are you wondering what I have for you? Just a camera, I'm afraid. But there's some dragonflies over there. I'm sure will be tasty. I don't think I have any more eggs. They gave me 5 eggs today. I'm very easily distracted, but when I see a little flower, I am drawn to that. I just love little flowers. Okay, rabbit trail. Let's go see if we have any more eggs today. I think it's gonna rain again. It's been such a wet day today. Coming in. Did all the nesting boxes. Well, I got 2 more eggs. That means today is 7 eggs. Wow, that's a lot of eggs today. Oh, they're still warm. Wow, look at that. Aren't they pretty? That's awesome. Cleaned out all their nesting boxes. Gave them new bedding. They seem to appreciate that. That's how you know, I guess. Okay, thank you. Were you the one that gave them to me? Thank you so much. Okay, I'm gonna have to put you in my hand for a minute so I can lock it up. Don't want any critters getting my chickens. Okay, well that was 3 minutes and 55 seconds of small farm life. Justin Rhodes, if you don't know him already, Justin Rhodes put up a video tonight. I think it was like 8 minutes and 55 seconds of farm life. But you see, he has a much bigger farm than we do. So I guess we'll call this 4 minutes and 15 seconds of farm life. Firsthand. Riveting, right, chicken? Okay. Well, everybody have a great day. Great evening. Summer's almost over. I don't know about you, but I am ready to say hello, fall. It's just too hot for me. Oh, let me show you something cute. The cats are communicating. Shira's in her little condominium for the night. Oh, are you saying hi to Shira? Are you saying hi? You're so nice. Shira's really comes in every night at about 5 o'clock. So she used to do that at our old house, and she continues to do that here. These cats are outdoor cats. Technically, they're not really our cats. We're actually taking care of them and feeding them and loving them until the family that previously owned our farm finds an adequate home for them to live with them. Okay, I guess that's it. So, better go inside before Abby scratches up Kelvin's door, so that would make him very unhappy. I'm sure you can't see her. Are they all still here? Oh my gosh, they are. What are they doing, guys? It's kind of trippy. It's like Dance of the Dragonflies over here. Hey, did they bite? Do dragonflies bite? Probably not the best time to ask that question, as I'm now standing in the midst of them. Oh well. What's life if you don't have a little adventure? Okay, now we're up to 6 minutes and 10 seconds of farm life. Y'all have a great night. Bye.